Hello everyone. My name is Abiram. Says says B section. So today topic is water flow model. SDCL models. There are two types of models. Are there? There are sequential model or incremental model. Sequential model, waterfall model, V model, increment model, spear model, rapid application development model, waterfall model. It is also called as a linear sequential model. In this model, whose application is developed in a sequential approach, in this model, each phase must be completed fully before the next phase begin. Provides touches in experienced of history of waterfall model. The first formal descriptions of the waterfall model if often credited has a 1970 articles by Washington Royce. Royce president with this model has an example of a flawed non-working model. It has been widely used for software projects ever since. Future of waterfalls model. A waterfall model is easy to flow. It can be implemented from any size of project. Every stage has to be done separately at the right time, so you cannot jump stages. Documentation is produced at every stage of waterfalls model, allowing people to understanding what has been done. Testing is done at every stages. Way to use the waterfall model. Requirements are very well now. A product definition is stable. Technology is understand new version of an exciting product. Waterfall model diagrams. Requirement gathering. In this space, business analysts will collect the requirements with an interactions of client and collections requirements will be documented. Requirements analyzing in this phase, system analyst will study the client requirement and prepare the system's requirement specification. Design in this phase, design architecture is the responsible to decide architectures of an application is order to fulfill the client requirements. Coding in this phase, developers will write the programs using programming languages or scripting languages is order to develop the application. Testing internally, developers will perform unit testing and integrations testing using from white box testing. After that, a separate team will be performs system testing using black box testing. Releasing and maintenance. After the testing, client certified and works product, then we deliver applications to the customer to use at live environment. Will using this application, client identify can some define exiting some, then he will send to the CR to CCB. Advantages. A waterfall model is easy to in implementations. It helps to find error uh, essay to understand, essay to use works well when quality is more important than cost or Schedule documents is a product at every stage of a water model, allowing people understand what has been done. Testing is done at every stage. This is disadvantages. It is only suitable from the small size projects. Constant testing on the design is needed. If requirements may changes, the waterfalls model not works difficult to estimate um, time and cost from each stages of the development process. Adjust scope during the life cycles can kill a project high amount of risk and uncertainty. This model is not suitable to handle dynamic changes in the requirements. Thank you very much for watching this video.